Hi guys, this is Pranav and welcome to my lab. Today I will show you how to open a glue gun and what are inside it. If you love my video, please like it and don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Let's switch on. This is my glue gun and you can see here the nameplate. Glue gun 40 watt, 110 volt to 240 volt, 50 Hz to 60 Hz, and here is the screw. There are 6 numbers of screw. Let's unscrew it. You can see the internal area of the glue gun. This is the main trigger and there is a hinge here and it moves like it. This is the spring. You can see the spring here and it works like it and it pushes the cartridge ahead to the main heater element like this. You can see main working and the incoming cables connect to the heaters. This is the heating element. You can see the heating element here, and this is the main cylinder where the heat transfer and the glue stick melts and comes out from this nozzle. Let's screw it again. Thanks for watching.